Mind your own business. Halimbawa, meron kang nakitang business or opportunity na gusto mong simulan, do it. Huwag kang makinig sa mga sasabihin ng iba kasi once you started, napakaraming naysayers sa paligid mo. Yung mga tao magsasabi sa'yo, don't do it kasi magfa-fail ka lang, don't do it kasi nabalitaan ko yung ganito, yung ganyan. Do not listen to the people who is not in the position where you want to go to. Kung may nakita kang business na gusto mong simulan or opportunity, hindi yon magiging madali. Ang maganda doon, yung vision mo at saka yung goal mo. Promise, the first few months, hindi siya ganun kadali kasi doon mo i-figure out. Kapag ka nagkaroon ka ng business idea or business opportunity na gusto mong simulan, madalas, nandun yung excitement. So, andun yung hype. Ngayon, pag nandun ka na sa business, doon mo mararanasan na hindi pala madali yon. May mga challenges pala na hindi mo nakita, hindi mo na vision while you're thinking of those plan first. Pero yun nga ang magpapatatag sa'yo. Yun ang magiging journey mo. Yun ang magpapatibay ng storya mo. Tapos, kailangan mo lang labanan mo. Hanapan mo ng solusyon, maghanap ka ng mentor, maghanap ka ng coach. Ang kakausapin mo, yung mga taong nandun na sa gusto mong puntahan. Kasi kapag ka sumuko ka, mag-uumpisa ka na naman, magsisimula ka na naman, hahanap ka na naman ng magiging idea. So again, pag nakakita ka ng mga bagong idea, mai-excite ka na naman, tapos mapoprostrate ka na naman pag nandun ka na sa business. Again, it's very crucial. Ang pagtatayo ng sariling negosyo, side hustle mo lang or yung magiging traditional business mo, hindi siya ganun kadali. Kailangan ng effort, ng commitment at ng time. And again, yung journey mo, doon ka matututo. Doon ka kukuha ng mga experiences para maging matatag ka sa negosyong itatayo mo. Huwag ka lang susuko. Sinasabi nga nila, it is not easy, but it's always worth it. Kaya kung may maririnig ka na mga, hindi naman negative, parang naysayers lang, the people who are actually telling you that do not start it or don't go on that way because you will fail. These are the people, sometimes you don't judge them because these are the people who actually have a different perspective because not sometimes because of what they experience but because of what they just hear or what their surroundings has brought to them to that belief. And sometimes, yung mga close pa sa'yo, sila pa yung hindi naman against, sila yung magbibigay ng warning sa'yo na wag mo nang simulan. It's not because they are not supporting you. Sometimes you look at on a different way. It's just because these people that surrounds you don't want to see you fail. So, ano yung dapat mong gawin? Ang dapat mong gawin, patunayan mo sa kanila na kaya mong gawin to, kaya mo maging successful kasi may nakita kang vision at may goal ka na gusto mong patunayan at gusto mong ma-achieve. So, yun lang. Like, when we had the restaurant before, it's actually, we are so excited because finally, we will have our company of our own. Hindi na kami mangangamuhan, hindi na kami pa-follow ng rules. We create our own rules. But of course, this is our business, so we are committed. We have put in a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of commitment to have the success sa business successful and keep on going. We have challenges that we never see, like kahit na gaano ka carefully plan yung kumbaga yung business mo, there will be some times na you don't see it happening, like pandemic. Hindi naman namin naakalain na may mangyayaring ganon. But then we survived that. We survived that pandemic season and it keep us going strong. And sa digital marketing, I promise you, this is not easy because there are lots of skeptical person. Kasi nga, una, they will be skeptical because they are thinking that baka scam yan or something. But again, do not listen to the people. Or sometimes you just have to educate them. Skepticism is actually great because that is where you are going to dig in more information. So, start your business. If kung may nakita ka na magandang potential, look into it. Do your due diligence, do your research, be skeptical kasi basta naging skeptical ka, doon ka magdidig ng more information to start this business na nakita mo. And aside from that, do your research with an open mind. Yun lang. So yes, I'm not sure if I would be able to teach you how to build a restaurant, but I can give you some advices kung gusto nyo makakuha ng advice. And then other than that, I can give you more information on how to build an online business, a digital marketing or affiliate marketing. That one, I could give you some advices through my journey. Yun lang. God bless us everyone.